Hello everybody, welcome back to the Good Life channel. I'm here back again with another video, and in this video I will show you how to add the Metamask wallet or the Metamask wallet extension to your Brave browser, which is I'm using it on my MacBook Air. So without any further delay, let us hop into it. First of all, you need to open the Brave browser and type in metamask.io. Make sure that you type in correctly. Do not click on any ad links, and it should be metamask.io. So once you are on metamask.io, you need to click download over here. Click on the download, and then down here, scroll down and you can find the supported browsers and click on Brave. If you're using the Brave browser, I'm using the Brave browser, click on Brave. And once you click on that, it'll take you to the Chrome Web Store, and you have to click over here. I've already installed it, so it's showing remove from Brave, but actually over here, if it's not installed, it will show install to Brave. So click on that. And once you click on that, you will come to this page. This will be the page that will open, and then click on Get Started. Okay, now here you will have two options. If you already have your MetaMask installed in your Chrome or some other laptop or your phone, then you should have a secret recovery phrase. So if you have it, if you are not new to MetaMask, you just have to click on Import Wallet. If you are new to MetaMask and you do not have a secret recovery phrase, so you got to click on Create a Wallet. I already have a MetaMask wallet in my Windows laptop, so I will click on Import Wallet. So once you click on Import Wallet, you just have to agree to all of these things, and I click I agree, and I got to type in my secret recovery phrase. So I will pause the video here right now, and I will I will type in my secret recovery phrase, and then my passwords. If you are new, you will be asked to add a new password. If you are not new, you already know your password, you just have to type it in here. So let me just type in the secret recovery phrase and the password, and I will get back to you in a second. So here I have typed in my secret recovery phrase and my password. And you have to click on the terms of use and just click on import. And that's it. Congratulations, you have passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phrase safe. It's your responsibility. Click on all done. And there we go. So here is the MetaMask wallet. You need to make sure that if you already have a MetaMask wallet in your phone or on your another laptop, what will happen is all the networks that you have, the chains that you have already added in there will not show up over here. So you will have to individually add each of those chains or networks back to this particular MetaMask that you have created. So here you can see, you click here and then click here. You can see the MetaMask wallet here. So that's it. So that's about adding your MetaMask to your Brave browser. Hope the video was informative. If you did like it, please do click on the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be updated. You would know each time I add a new video, and in the days to come, I will be adding more videos on crypto passive income. So if you'd like to get the notifications for that, please do click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, and please do share it to your friends. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.